everyone. It has been a super long time since I've posted like an actual video on this channel, so I thought I would get back into it. I didn't even have this dog the last time I posted. This is Lonnie, which, no, I didn't have her. It's Lonnie. She is an 8-month-old yellow lab, and then Kalea, I don't know if I have Kalea. Kalea, come here. Come here. No, they already saw you. Kalea, come here. This is Kalea. She is a 3-year-old corgi. And so I posted a video about us starting like a vlogging channel. We're not very good at vlogging, but I did just make I did just make a video over there of unboxing a bark box, which is for your dog. So we just did that. That's why they're hanging out in here. And Kalea thinks that this box in front of me is for her. But they just got toys and stuff. So if you hear them squeaking and playing in the background, that is why. They're going to be all up in my face and all up in the camera. So I have a bunch of videos to film. I'm super excited. This one is my January Stitch Fix. Yay. And I'm not going to lie, I cheated and looked to see what was in it. But I'm super excited about it. I liked everything in it. Then I have like 3 Ulta boxes. I'm going to do an Ulta haul once I'm done filming this. So lots of videos coming up. Very exciting. Go check out our other channel so that you can see the bark box unboxing that I just did with the dogs and why they're squeaking in the background. But they're super cute, right? Don't you want to go see super cute dogs? That's what I thought. All right, so I'm just going to jump right into this. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, which if you're watching this video, you probably at least have heard a little bit about it, and that's why you're looking at Stitch Fix videos, or because you're a subscriber and you just love me, remember, go subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot, like this video too. Yay! But anyways, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription. You can pick how frequently you want them. There was one point when I was doing this, when I really liked Stitch Fix, that I was getting them like every 2 weeks. Now I just get them like whenever. You can pick to say like you get them whenever you want them. So you can say like, oh, I want one this month, I'm gonna do it. I don't want one for the next 3 months, things like that. So that's what I do right now. I just say when I want one. So I was feeling a Stitch Fix, so I said I wanted one, and I got it. So I'm going to open it up. Like I said, I'm sorry that they're obnoxious. I might kick them out if it gets too crazy. Hey, stop. So I have the app on my phone, and you can like and dislike clothes every day, and I do that. But then when they ship your box, you can click a thing that says begin checkout even if you don't really have your box. Hey, I'm gonna kick you out. Sorry. Even if you don't have your box, you can begin checkout, and so that's how you can kind of see what's in your box before it gets there, and I totally do that like every single time. I'm bad, and I cheat. But I'm super excited about this box. I even told my husband, I was like, I don't even think I was married the last time I posted a video. Oh, we're married now. I even told my husband, I was like, I love everything in this box. I'm so excited. All right, so I opened up the box. And then this is what it looks like inside. So you get your mailer to send things back that you don't want. And then this is your like receipt, and it tells you everything that you get and then how much it costs. And if you keep all 5, so I actually normally you pay $20 a month to get. I'm sorry, I'm on my computer camera, so I forget that it's flipped. Normally you would pay $20 to get the fix to your door. I don't even remember what it's called, but it's like some pass thing that I did where I paid, I think like $45 for the year, and then I don't have to pay that $25 fee to get it. The nice thing though about the and it's not $25, 20. The nice thing about that $20 fee though is that it goes, Kalea is trying to open this box. That's her bark box. She's trying to open it. The nice thing about the $20 fee is it's like credit that goes into whatever you buy. So if you were to buy all 5 and you paid that $20 fee, not only would you get the $20 put into it, but then you get a $25 discount. $25. 25% discount for buying everything too, which is nice. It was your Style Pass membership. And it's currently active, so I get to enjoy the fix without the regular $20 styling fee. There, that's where it's at. So, if I were to keep everything in this box, it would cost me $177. I would get $59 off with the styling, with the 25% discount. So, that's nice to see. So, you get that. I don't want to put that there because Lonnie's probably going to eat it. And then you get this little foldable. It says take a peek, and it's all the pieces that your stylist picked out for you. I don't want to look at it yet, even though I already know what's in there. Normally all of that is in this envelope, but it fell out of my envelope, I guess, in the box. Okay, so then everything else is wrapped up in here. And because I looked, I know what these are, and I'm super excited about it. So it's wrapped up. It has the Stitch Fix logo sticker. And then it's in this box. This is not for you. You already had your box. And inside are these gorgeous Kate Spade pink studs. I love them. I'm keeping them. I can't wait to put them in my ears. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. And then it has the Kate Spade bag to keep behind it as well. Oh, I'm so excited. I saw they were Kate Spade, and I was like, I don't even care what they are. They're Kate Spade. I'm keeping them. I don't even care. But, so these earrings are $38. So, and that's another thing. You can keep whatever you want, and you can get rid of whatever you want. So, with the $20 styling fee, if you got rid of everything, like that $20 just went in the trash can. But since I don't have that, if I don't want to keep anything, I don't have to worry. Like, I didn't waste money. So that's the nice thing about not having to pay that styling fee. All right. Jeez Louise. Oh, it came on. Okay, so then normally everything is like bundled up like this, and then the sticker keeps it together, but my paper came undone. But so I'm going to unwrap. Woo, sorry. All right, so the first thing on the top of my pile is this cute, it's gray, like knit sweater, but it's like a light sweater material. And I know it's a dress. It's a long sleeve, like swing dress. So this is super cute. I love things like that, especially in the winter. Oh, wait. Where's my note from my stylist? Oh, it's in this thing. Your stylist always writes you a note too. Let me see what she said. Hi, Anne. Happy Fix Day. I found some beautiful pieces that are classic and casual for the season. The August Mist pullover is the ideal place to start. The elbow patches are unique and give an effortlessly preppy feel. I love elbow patches. Pair them with the STS blue skinnies from your last fix. What did she just grab? Okay, it's a toy. Sorry, the puppy is crazy. Dress this look up with a statement necklace or pair it over a button-up vest or both. The Mocha puffer vest is ideal for this styling. You could even layer this over the RD style pullover in olive from your October fix. Wear the Kate Spade square studs for that final beautiful touch that makes this ensemble feel entirely put together. For a casual piece that still has a bit of glam, the Fortune Ivy dress is ideal. Glam it up with a statement necklace and the Kate Spade studs, or make it feel casual with the Mocha puffer vest. Do you need boots? XO Claire. Which is awesome because some boots would be nice. I have like little ankle gray or black ones, but it would be nice. Okay, so this is with the Fortune Ivy dress. And it's stretchy, which I love. This is great and comfy for work. Because I do like to like dress up for work sometimes, but I also need to be comfy because I'm moving around and like on the floor a lot. So I really like that. And then they have a picture of like what you could style it with, which is nice. And the dress is $42. So that's nice. I'm definitely going to try it on. Can you get out of here, please? Why are you in my face? Isn't she cute, though? Look how stinking cute she is. She's such a cute little poopy. I don't like when she looks at my face, though, especially when I have my makeup on. Okay, so the next thing is another Fortune Ivy brand, and it's just, it's a button all the way down, like swingy top, which I love these blouses. These are like my favorite kind of shirts to wear whenever I'm dressing up for work and stuff. And so then you can see here their options for styling it. And the shirt, it's a Fortune Ivy, and it's $44. It says it's gray, but I would think this is more like a navy blue than a gray. Oh, I lied. The dress, that's why it says it's gray. Because the dress is $44. This is $42. That's why. Would make sense if I was paying attention to what I was reading. Okay, the next thing I noticed that it's that sweater she was talking about. So it's green. It's from August Mist, which I like that brand too. I get sent that a lot. Oh, it's coming up like black on the camera, but it's not. It's like a dark forest green. And then it has tan elbow patches. I love me some elbow patches. And the texture or like the knitting of it is really cool. I don't even know what you would call that. I forget. But you definitely would need like a cami or something under it because you can see through. But this is super cute. And then her styling was like with khakis and like a trench. Is that a trench coat? I'm not really sure. And then jeans. Which, that is cute. I love it. I'm probably going to keep it. Everything in this is cute. So, I don't know why I keep saying that's cute. Because it's all cute. I just love it all. Okay, this sweater is dark green. And it's $44. And then the next thing and the last thing is the puffer vest. Which, honestly, like, I like it in the picture. But I don't know if I'm going to keep it just because I don't know. Hello? Sorry, it sounded like my husband was home. I don't know if I really need it because I don't know how often I would wear it. So, yeah. I don't know. I like it though. It's like a wine color. Is that what burgundy? And it's $68. See, I don't know if I would. The only reason I would keep it is honestly to get that 25% off. I don't know. I'll have to try it all on and see. But yeah, so I don't know. It's a mocha water resistant puffer vest. Excuse me. All right, but yeah, so that was everything in my box. I'm probably going to try it on. I'll let you guys know what I keep, what I don't keep, things like that. And tell me what you would keep or not keep from this box. I will leave my link down below. So if you're interested in Stitch Fix, you can go check it out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and go check out our other channel so you can see some cute videos of the dogs. All right, bye.